Everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today we will be going to discuss about the pranayama, that what exactly the pranayama, and also we will be going to practice the three type of pranayama. The class will be of the 30 minutes. Those who like the class, please do like, share and comment. Okay, so we'll start. What exactly the pranayama is? The pranayama is a breathing process which helps us to increase our lungs capacity, and moreover it provides a different effect on our each and every body part. It is there to provide a good well-being to our entire body. So today we will be going to discuss about the three pranayama, that is the Bhramari pranayama, Shikli pranayama and the Sheetkari pranayama, and also we'll discuss about their benefit. You need to sit comfortably in a Padmasana, Sukhasana or Padmasana for the Bhramari pranayama. Bhramari pranayama will help to reduce the stress strain from your mind, and it will provide a great body health. It will lower down your blood pressure as well and will promote a good health to your body. It is also beneficial for increasing in the lung capacity. So we'll practice that. You need to close your eyes with your two middle finger, little finger by the side of your nose, pointing finger over your forehead. Close your ears with your thumb. Entirely chest out. Now what you have to do, now you need to start breathing. Take a deep inhale. And while exhaling, try to hum like a hummingbee. धीरे से अपने हाथों को ले आएंगे नीचे ज्ञान मुद्रा की स्थिति पर. Touch your index finger and your thumb together to be in a ज्ञान मुद्रा. तथा महसूस करें उन ध्वनि तरंगों को जो भ्रामरी प्राणायाम के अभ्यास से उत्पन्न हुई है. उसे अपने शरीर में ही सकारात्मक ऊर्जा के रूप में समाहित करें. Try to feel the breathing and the vibration of the Bhramari inside your body, and try to provide complete relaxedness to your body. Try to feel the deepness of your breathing. Fully connect yourself with your breathing process. This entire process will help you to reduce stress and pain from your body. तथा संपूर्ण ध्यान लगाए अपने शरीर के भीतर होती हुई हलचल पर. ध्यान रखें किसी भी प्रकार का कंपन Let's talk about the Shikli pranayama, that what exactly the Shikli pranayama gives us. The Shikli pranayama, as the name suggests, is the cooling down process of our body. It provides the complete movements to our body, which give benefit to lower down our blood pressure. So it is good for those who have a high blood pressure problem. It will cool down the hyperacidity also. So these two benefits are of the Shikli pranayama. How we have to practice it. Now we'll focus on it. The step is you need to roll your tongue out for the Shikli pranayama, but first sit comfortably in any posture and take your mudra from your hand. Place it over your knee. your nose. Like this, you need to roll your tongue out while inhaling and exhale from your nose. Make sure your mouth remains closed while exhaling. So inhale from your tongue. After completing the 10th round of Shitli Pranayama, try to relax your breathing and feel the coolness inside your body. This pranayama can be practiced early in the morning for it will lower down the blood pressure. So it is good for your health. So take a deep breath and exhale out. Fully relax your breathing. Try to feel the peacefulness and the coolness inside your body. Try to travel inside your body with every inhalation and with every exhalation. Try to take out all the negative stress and strain from your body. Fully relax. Now we'll talk about the Sheetkari Pranayama, that how it can be done, and it is also good as for the high blood pressure patients, and it removes the stress from your mind and provide complete relaxedness to your body, and it will also give a good benefit to your lungs. So we'll practice it. What you have to do for the Sheetkari Pranayama, you need to sit comfortably in any posture, hands making Gyan Mudra, tip of index finger, tip of thumb touching each other. Place it over your knee, roll your shoulder back, drop your shoulder down, make your entire spine straight. Now look simply straight. Close your eyes. What you have to do, you need to inhale from your teeth and exhale from your nose. So while you are inhaling, open your mouth and inhale from your teeth. Slowly close your mouth and exhale from your nose. Inhale from your teeth. Exhale out from your nose. This we will practice for the 10 rounds. We'll start. Relax yourself. After completing the 10 rounds of Sheetkari Pranayama, provide complete coolness to your body. Relax your mind and your body completely. Be coordinated with your breathing process. अपने श्वास एवं प्रश्वास की गति से जुड़े रहें तथा वायु का संचार कराएं। अपने शरीर के भीतर ही सकारात्मक ऊर्जा का प्रवेश कराएं तथा सभी प्रकार की नकारात्मकता को अपने शरीर के बाहर लेकर जाएं। संपूर्ण ध्यान रखें अपने श्वास एवं प्रश्वास की गति पर। ध्यान रहे किसी भी प्रकार की हलचल आपके शरीर में ना हो, ना आपके श्वास एवं प्रश्वास के गमन पथ पर। संपूर्णतः ध्यान केंद्रित रखें अपने श्वास एवं प्रश्वास की गति पर। Try to have control on your breathing process. Be aware about your breathing, that how you are inhaling and how you are exhaling. While inhaling, try to take the positive energy inside your body. And while exhaling, try to take out all kind of stress from your body. Relax your mind and your body. Slowly inhale, slowly exhale. Now we'll end the session. अब हम करेंगे ध्यान उस परम पिता परमेश्वर का जिस भी नाम रूप में आप उन्हें जानते हैं, उनकी सत्ता को स्वीकार करते हैं। सामान्य श्वास एवं प्रश्वास लेते रहें तथा धन्यवाद करेंगे उस परम पिता परमेश्वर को। हे ईश्वर, धन्यवाद। आज के अभ्यास के लिए हमें यथासंभव शक्ति दी, ऊर्जा दी। हम जिस भी संकल्प के साथ इन प्राणायाम से जुड़े थे उन्हें पूर्ण रूप से सफल बनाया। हमें निरोगी काया, स्वस्थ मन, स्वस्थ शरीर प्रदान किया। इसी कामना के साथ करेंगे 3 बार गहरा ओमकार का उच्चारण। लीजिए गहरा लंबा श्वास। से महसूस करेंगे उन ध्वनि तरंगों को जो ओमकार के उच्चारण से उत्पन्न हुई है तथा उसे अपने शरीर में ही समाहित करने का प्रयास करेंगे। धीरे से ले आएंगे अपने दोनों हाथों को हृदय के समक्ष नमस्कार मुद्रा में। दोनों हाथों के बीच में करेंगे घर्षण। Rub your both the palms together. Generate the heat, generate the yogic energy inside your palm. Gently touch your eyes, open up your eyes inside your palm. Close your eyes, massage your face, your neck, shoulder, hand, chest, stomach, back, thigh, leg. Look into your palm, give a smile to your palm, touch your face and relax. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, do like, share and comment.